Imagine this picture. This is Alex right now. What is he doing?
He's sleeping.
Exactly, he's fast asleep. So, can I say Alex is driving a bus?
No, he's sleeping.
That's right. But here's something interesting. Alex is a bus driver. So native speakers still say, Alex drives a bus. Wait, he's sleeping, so why do we say drives? Let's discover the answer together. Do you remember our last lesson?
Yes, present continuous.
Exactly. Present continuous talks about what is happening around now, temporary situations, and things that are changing.
So today is different?
Completely different. Today, we're not talking about this moment. We're talking about things that are generally true. Let's go back to Alex. Every weekday, he drives a bus. People know him as a bus driver, but right now, he's sleeping.
So, right now he isn't driving.
Exactly. If we're talking about this moment, we say, he isn't driving. But if we're talking about his job, we say, he drives a bus.
So, present simple isn't about this second. It's about the big picture.
Exactly, that's the secret. We use present simple when something is generally true. Let's look at 4 examples. Alex drives a bus.
Because that's his job.
Exactly, say it with us. Alex drives a bus.
Alex drives a bus.
I usually go away at weekends.
That's a habit. It happens again and again.
Perfect, together. I usually go away at weekends.
I usually go away at weekends.
The earth goes round the sun.
That's always true.
Exactly, it's a fact, together. The earth goes round the sun.
The earth goes round the sun.
The cafe opens at 7:30 in the morning.
That's a regular schedule.
Exactly, it happens every day. Let's practice together. The cafe opens at 7:30 in the morning.
The cafe opens at 7:30 in the morning.
Can you see the pattern?
That's right. They all talk about general truths, habits, or regular situations.
Exactly. Now let's look at the pattern. Most subjects use the base verb, I drive, you drive, we drive, they drive.
Easy.
Look carefully. He, she, and it are different. They need an extra letter. Look at these subjects. With I, you, we, and they, we use the base form of the verb. No extra letter is needed. With he, she, and it, we add s or s to the verb. We say drives, works, and teaches.
So only he, she, and it change the verb?
Exactly. Let's practice. He works. They teach. She teaches. I drive. He drives.
That's actually easy.
Yes, just remember he, she, it. Let's see if you've got it. Ready? My father in a hospital.
Works.
Perfect. The earth round the sun.
Goes.
Excellent. They football every Saturday.
Play.
Exactly. No us with they. I coffee every morning.
Drink.
Perfect.
Quiz time. Which sentence is correct? A, he drive a bus. B, he drives a bus.
The answer is B. Question 2. A, the earth go round the sun. B, the earth goes round the sun. Correct. B again. Question 3. A, she teach English. B, she teaches English. Excellent. It's B.
I'm getting it now.
Let's remember today's lesson. We use present simple for things that are generally true, for habits, for jobs, for routines, and for facts.
And don't forget this important rule. With I, you, we, and they, we use the base verb. But with he, she, and it, we add s or s to the verb.
Exactly. That's today's key idea. Even when Alex is sleeping, we still say, Alex drives a bus, because we're talking about his job, not this moment.
Now it's your turn. Write one present simple sentence in the comments. It can be your job, your daily habit, or a general fact.
For example, I drink coffee every morning. My sister works in a bank. The sun rises in the east.
We'll read your comments.
And help you improve your English.
Keep learning.
Keep improving.
See you in the next Chronicast lesson. Bye.